the national committee.
I got 2 protest letters. One, they call them Obegbema People's Forum. I got another protest letter for TT Kallio and Company. They wrote, the TT Kallio is a legal firm. He wrote protest letter demanding that the section of Omoko Egbema Road should be withdrawn from Setraco and given to Julius Berger. I start wondering who gave that person such a power to ask for such thing. Even if you want to ask for it, do you do it like a command? This job was originally awarded to Darissa, not today, many years ago. For one reason or the other, the job was not done. When a lot of money was paid, even when the job was even reviewed. And before the immediate past administration left, they found that these people are people that have always worked with us, that have supported our party. Why can't we revisit this matter again? And that job was awarded to Setraco. So when I got this letter, I felt it would be proper to call your leaders, to call your chief, the Oba, and his people, and to make my position very clear. The contractor will continue with his job. I expect you people to give them the necessary cooperation. Are you trying to be like the Andoni people, that one simple section of project for 24 years could not be delivered? People are more than that. So I'm appealing to you, give the contractor the necessary support, cooperation, so that this section of that road will be completed when the other one joins from Ahoda. And you have a stretch and clean road. We are going to monitor what the contractor is doing and ensure that it does a standard job for you. That is my position, and I want to say it here. I will not tolerate, I underline and repeat, I will not tolerate any sabotage. If there's any sabotage, I will ask the contractor to pull out. I will not do it again. This project was given to you people. You nominated the contractor. The contractor failed. We're doing another job again here. We're paying another money. In fact, let me make it clear to you. The original cost of that job, when it was awarded, was 8.8 billion. Later on, it was reviewed for 13.3. The total amount paid as at that time before the revocation was 12.7 billion. You can understand how we feel about it. And now we have re-awarded this job to Setraco for 7.5 billion. And we have already committed about 5.2. To tell you our commitment. Within this 5.2 I'm telling you about is within my own tenure. The job was awarded before the immediate past administration left. And as soon as I came in, I said, no, people who supported me. A lot of you are my people. Why should we delay on this thing? It will be bad when the Ahoda side gets to Omok, and the Omok to Egbema is not properly done. So they must do it at once. I don't want sabotage. If you like to sabotage yourself, don't sabotage my own administration. I'm serious. So please, I'm begging you, work with your leaders. Every time it's not protest. Every time it's not text message. Every time it's not contamination. It gets to a time when everybody comes together for the progress of their community.